Hello everyone, and welcome to week 1 of our brand new course, Priming for Your Life, where we go over everything you need to know if you're in the 55 and up category.
Unfortunately, in this first episode, we have a little bit of bad news for you, but it's always better to know in advance.
We want you to learn about Prop 19 because it affects generational wealth.
So Prop 19 changed how the state handles the property tax assessment. So instead of continuing on with your original tax basis, now you're starting to be taxed and reassessed upon the date of death of your loved one.
And most people have trusts or willed property when you get it from your grandparents or parents, and it takes a while. So you actually are now owing back taxes from the date of death. And we suggest that you talk to an expert.
Yeah, so that during this difficult time already, you want to be prepared and know as much information as possible. So please reach out to that CPA and get planning on this right away.
Reach out to us with all your real estate needs, and we can make these trying times hopefully just a little bit better.
Because after all, we're better together.
See you next week.